Before ChatGPT could answer a single question, before it could write code, summarize documents, or hold a conversation, it had to read half the internet, 45 terabytes of text, 300 billion tokens. So, what is it actually doing with all of that? One task, just one. The task is called Next Token Prediction or Causal Language Modeling. The model sees a sequence of tokens and predicts what comes next. That's it, no labels, no human annotation, just given what came before, what word is most likely next. The loss is computed, the gradient flows back, the weights update, then the next token, then the next sentence, repeat 300 billion times. Here's what's remarkable. Nobody explicitly taught the model grammar. Nobody labeled the training data with facts about the world. Nobody programmed reasoning. All of these abilities, language, knowledge, logic, code, emerge from a single task. Predict the next token well enough across enough data, and the model develops an internal model of how the world works. This is called emergent capability. Scale matters enormously. GPT-1 had 117 million parameters. GPT-2 had 1.5 billion. GPT-3 had 175 billion, over 1,000 times larger. And the Chinchilla scaling law, published by DeepMind in 2022, showed something counterintuitive. Most large models were undertrained. For every doubling of model size, you need roughly a doubling of training tokens too. Optimal training is a balance of both. After pre-training, you have something extraordinary, a model with deep knowledge of language and the world, but also something unpredictable. Ask it a question and it might continue your question rather than answer it. It has no concept of being helpful, of following instructions, or of avoiding harm. It's a raw intelligence with no training on how to behave. That's where fine-tuning comes in. Pre-training builds the brain, the raw capability, but to turn that into an assistant that actually helps you, that follows your instructions, that knows when to say no, you need two more steps: fine-tuning and RLHF. Those are the next two videos. Follow so you don't miss them.